If you want to translate something on the go, then what you can do is you can utilize the translate item extension inside of Microsoft Edge. So to do that, I can go around over here onto the extension section and then go to get extensions for Microsoft Edge. So once I go there, you can see that I have the search all add-ons area right here. So I'm going to go around and say translate item right here, just like this. And I get onto the translate item results right here, as you can see. So over here, you can see that it says translate context menu item right here. There's translate master plus right here. There's one key translate right here, and so forth. So there's many translation option, as you can see right here. So let me just go around onto translate item over here, and it says quickly translate using context menu item right here. Let me just go around and click on get and add the extension, and the extension gets installed just like this. And that is what you have. I can also go around and show it on the toolbar over here. And this is the translate option that I have right here. So let me just go around and quickly go on to this page right here and select this out over here. And you can see that I have the translate item option right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and this is active. So now what I can do is I can go around and then translate this out. So I'm simply going to go around and right click, and I'm going to translate Microsoft Edge, simply just like this. And then what happens is that it gets to Google Translate just like this. And what happens is that it actually goes around and opens up the translator over here. So I can go around and change some other language over here for that particular text as I like. So similarly, you can go around over here and select out, let's say, this text right here, and right click and click on translate just like this, and it opens up that particular page. And then you can select another language right here, and it translates that chunk into that language. And that is how you can utilize the translate item extension inside of Microsoft Edge to translate out the selected text as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.